Hey everyone, so today I'm going to test the power resume feature in the Marlin 1.1.x bugfix version with the Ender 3 example files. I have a 20 by 20 cube printing. It is printing fine. We are 12 minutes into the print and I am going to pull the plug. Let me hold my phone in this hand. I am going to pull the plug right now. 1, 2, 3, plug out. Gonna flip the switch, gonna plug it back in, and excuse me a second, I have to hold the machine or I'll just slide it. Okay, let's plug it back in, turn it on, and see what happens. Okay, resume printer, stop print. Let's resume print. Now I am told that it only saves at the start of each layer, which means it is going to attempt to reprint the same layer that it's on, which probably means we're going to have some blobs and other effects, assuming it works at all. And we're heating back up now. I was at 50 and 210. So the nozzle's coming back up from 165 toward 210. And then we'll see what happens. This is not something I really want enabled in first place. I don't care for the idea that it's writing to the card constantly. And my electricity here is very stable, so I don't really see a need for it. But let's see if it works anyway. I've kind of got my doubts that it's going to be all that good. For starters, the hot nozzle's poised over the part. Now, if it's poised over infill, that's fine, but if it's poised over an outer wall, it's probably going to be pretty ugly. Should have used white, shouldn't I have? Looks like it's trying to draw another brim. What in the heck is it doing? Yeah, it's trying to draw a brim around the outer edge of it. Of course, it's doing it at the height of the part. That's not good. It does look like it is actually now going around the perimeter of the current layer it was on. That brim it drew out into the ozone should be easily recoverable from. I'm not sure what I think it's doing under there, but I don't know, it might be working. See if filament's going through. Yeah, it's feeding filament. So I am going to pause the camera here. It says it's now 4 minutes in instead of, where was it before, 12 minutes? I'm going to pause the camera here, and when it's done, I'll be back. Okay, so I stopped it after about another 5 minutes. It was not moving the z-axis up. It was doing the same layer over and over and over again, and no more filament was being extruded. The head was plugged up. Let's knock it loose, and let me give you a better look at the mess that it made. That is completely useless in my opinion. All it did was make a mess, and it wasn't advancing the z-axis up and producing new layers. It was just going over the same one over and over again. You see how beautifully it started and how nice the sides were. And so there you have it, folks. Power resume in Marlin bugfix 1.1.x with the Ender 3 example files. Completely worthless. If I'm doing something wrong and somebody knows what it is, let me know and I'll try it again. In the meantime, I'm going to disable this thing so it doesn't accidentally get used, because I don't need it writing to my card after every layer. Talk to you later.